everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrunchie barrettes, which are the perfect accessory for a half up, half down hairstyle. These scrunchie barrettes are currently being sold from my Etsy shop, so please feel free to check them out. The link is in the description. For this project, you are going to need the following items, which will be easily accessible from the description. You will need a 3" by 8" rectangular piece of fabric of your choice. A scrunchie barrette, mine is 3 inches and is from Amazon, which will be linked below. Fabric scissors, but any pair of scissors will do. A hot glue gun with glue sticks. An iron. And lastly, a sewing machine of your choice. First, take the 3" by 8" rectangular piece of fabric and turn it so that the pattern is facing the table. Then, fold the 3" side about 1/4 inch in and iron the fabric down. Do the same thing to the other side as well so that the fabric is easier to sew and has nicely finished creases. Second, fold the fabric around so that the nice part of the fabric is showing and facing upwards. Then, fold the fabric together the long way so that the nicer part of the fabric is now only showing on the edges in which we just ironed. Next, we are going to use the sewing machine to sew a straight stitch with about 1/4 inch of seam allowance. Don't forget to start and end with a back stitch. Third, we are going to use the scissor to cut the excess thread from our fabric. Fourth, we are going to turn the fabric inside out by folding the fabric in and then pulling it back out from the top. This step may take a few minutes. Fifth, iron the fabric, making sure the crease from sewing the fabric is aligned directly in the middle. Sixth, open the barrette and stick it inside of the fabric. As you pull the fabric around the barrette, scrunch the fabric together, making sure it all fits nicely. Seventh, we are going to place 4 dots of hot glue to seal the fabric in place with the barrette. First, we are going to place glue on the inside where the clip is to pop the scrunchie barrette open. Then, we are going to place the second dot of glue on the inside where the hinge of the barrette is. Next, we are going to pull the side of the fabric over the edge where we ironed and glue the fabric down. Lastly, we are going to do the same thing with the other side. Now we have our finished project, which is a scrunchie barrette. This is the perfect hair accessory to keep the hair out of one's face. I truly hope you found this tutorial useful. Happy crafting!